In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set DMARC record in Google Workspace 5 minutes. DMARC helps protect your domain from spoofing and phishing by telling receiving mail servers how to handle messages that don't pass SPF and DKIM checks. We're going to add a DMARC record at your domain provider so it works with Google Workspace. First, create your DMARC policy. You can use a DMARC generator for convenience or start with a simple safe policy for monitoring. Version set to DMARC 1, policy set to none, and a RUA tag that sends aggregate reports to a mailbox you monitor. Starting with policy none lets you observe without impacting delivery. Later, once you're confident, you can tighten to quarantine or reject. Next, note the host or name for the record. This must be exactly _DMARC, written as DMARC. Some providers show your domain next to it automatically. Don't add the domain again unless the interface specifically requires it. For the value, use the string you prepared. It will look like vdmarq1 p non plus the RUA aggregate report address. Keep it all on one line with semicolons separating tags and no extra quotes or white space unless your provider adds them for you. Now log into your domain provider's console. This is where your DNS is managed, which might be the company where you bought the domain or a DNS host. Once you're in, find the DNS management or DNS records section. It may be labeled DNS settings, zone editor, or advanced DNS. Add a new DNS record. Choose TXT as the record type. DMARC is always published as a TXT record. In the host or name field, enter DMARC exactly. In the value or content field, paste the DMARC value you created earlier. Double check for typos. DMARC is strict, and a small error can invalidate the policy. Set the TTL or time to live to the default your provider suggests, or 1 hour if you can choose. TTL controls how long other servers cache the record before checking again. 1 hour is a good balance for early adjustments. Save the record. DNS changes can take time to propagate, sometimes up to 48 hours, though many update much faster. After saving, you can verify the record with a DMARC checker to confirm that DMARC resolves and the tags are valid. Over the next day or two, you'll start receiving aggregate reports at the address you specified. Review them to ensure your legitimate mail is passing SPF and DKIM and aligns correctly. When everything looks good, plan to move from monitoring to a stricter policy to fully protect your domain.